Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to explain about goal seek in Microsoft Excel. Okay, now I'm opening Microsoft Excel 2010. First of all, let us discuss what is made by goal seek. Goal seek is nothing but suppose we know the output, we don't know the input. So based on that output, so we are calculating the input. That's we are calling as goal seek. Okay. So now let us see one example. By that you can understand the concept very clearly. Okay, here the example is uh, it is a small business in between a shop owner and a customers. Here if you observe here we have the total books are 50 books and each book cost is if you observe here the each book cost is 30 rupees, and if I want to calculate total bill means it is very easy, 50 into 30. Okay, it is very simple, is equal to 50 is in B3 into B3 is total books is in B3 and each book cost is in B4 and press enter. It is very simple. Okay, and also we'll see the here we have three customers. We will see these three scenarios. Suppose this customer is telling total I want 60 books. The each book cost is same only 30 rupees only. He want total book. That's why I'm changing this one 60. See here 60. Automatically if you press enter button the value will be changed. See here 1800. And we'll see the second scenario. Each book cost is 50 rupees. Okay, here he want 50 books only. Here he want 50 books only, but here same 50 books only, but he's taking 50 rupees books. That means each book cost is 50. So here I want to change the value 50. See, if you press enter, automatically the value will that means the total bill will get. Okay, right. If we take the third scenario, he is telling like this: I will give 1500 total amount to you. I will take the books, each book of 50 rupees only. Then how many books I'll get? He is asking. Okay. What he is asking means I will give 1700 rupees to you. I want each book cost 50 rupees book only I want. If I give 1700 rupees to you, how many books I'll get? Total books how many books I'll get? He is asking. Like these scenarios, we have to use goal seek. Okay. So here which value we are changing? 2500. There, so we are giving 1700. Okay, and is telling that each book cost 50 rupees only, and how many books we will get we'll see by using goal seek. Okay, for goal seek, click on data tab. See here, you have to click on data tab. In data tab we have data tools option. In the data tools, what if analysis is there? Click data tab. In data tab we have data tools group. In that we have to click on what if analysis option. In the what if analysis we have three options. In that we have to select the goal seek. See here, click on goal seek. Okay, we have to keep the cursor here only. Which value we are changing, keep the cursor in that point only, and you observe here goal seek means which value we are changing. Set cell is there na, B5. You observe here the B5 it is. See here B5. Okay, to value means how much value we are providing in that. 1700 we have to give here 1700 by changing cell. Which cell we are changing? See here, you observe here to value 1700 by changing. Which cell we are changing? this cell we are changing. How many books I'll get is asking. So that's why click here and click here, again click here. See here, before going to click on OK, you observe the values here, total books and total bill. Here it will get 1700 and we'll see how many books he will get. See here. See here. For 1700 rupees, per book 50 rupees, and the total books will get 34 books. The third customer will get. Okay. And like these scenarios, we have to use the goal seek option. Right. That means here you observe, here we know the output 1700, but we don't know the input. So based on this 1700, so we by using goal seek, we have set this input, that is 34. Okay. Right. We will see the second example on goal seek. See here. Here if you observe here, this is the example of a student report. In school, a student report, the marks of the student. Here the name is Sakshi and these are the marks. Okay. Here we have to calculate the total marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects are there. So for that we know the formula is equal to sum, SUM sum, open bracket, okay. So from where the marks started, B3 to F3, B3 colon F3, again close bracket, enter. So the total marks are like this, 360, and average. Okay. So what is the formula for average? Is equal to average, 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 again open bracket, again from which column and which row marks are started, B3, B3 semicolon, okay, and where it is ended, marks F3, F3, enter, close bracket, enter. Okay. Right. So now you observe here carefully. Suppose you observe here the total marks are 360. Here I want, here in total I want 370 marks. 370 marks. That means if I want total 370 means in any one subject I have to add 10 marks. Suppose I want to add in Hindi 10 marks. Okay. For that we have to keep the, that means here we are changing the value, total value. Okay. Here we are changing the total value. That's why keep the cursor in total goal seek. In the goal seek we have to enter the value. How much value we want to change here? 370. Okay. By changing which cell you are changing? Hindi. Click here and click here. Before going to click here, you observe the change 360 here. Here it will come 360. 360 means 10 marks extra it is adding here. Here it will come 70. See here. Okay. And this is very easy. And this is very easy. Okay. Here 360 are there. If you want to increase 70 means here also we have to increase the 10 marks. Now you observe here very carefully. Here 74 is there. Percentage it is average. Here I want to increase 78%. 78% means how many marks we have to add in English. I want to increase the marks in English to get the average 78%. Okay. In this scenario, it is very difficult to tell. That's why we have to go for the goal seek option. Keep the cursor here. Click on what if analysis, goal seek, and which cell we are changing? H3 only. To value. How much value? 78%. 78. Okay, 78%. By changing which cell? Suppose see here. Which cell in English I want to change. Okay, observe here. Okay. See here. Set cell H3 only to value. How much percentage I want in that average? 78% I want. Okay. Which cell I am changing? English. Click on that cell. And now you observe if I click here, what happened? Before going to click OK here, you observe the changes here. Now it is 74. How how much we want the percentage? 78. So here 50 is there. Now you observe the changes. Now I am clicking on OK. You see here it is 78 and it is 70. That means 20 marks increased in English, then only we are getting 78%. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you want the definition and if you want the procedure for this topic, I have given in the description. Okay, those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you for watching this video.